Well, I was moderating the session. So others should tell me how it went, but I guess from the reaction that I've got from a lot of people and the number of people who walked up to me, I think it went off well because the panelists did a great job in terms of sticking to the basics and telling the crowd that you don't need big bang technology investment happening. You can start small, scale it up as your business grows, and let business decide on the technology to be taken in. I think from that perspective, it went off pretty well. There's a lot of SMEs in this country, right, and who are doing very well from a business perspective. Now, what they need right now is the relevant technology backup, or the confidence to set in motion a technology strategy for them. And I think this kind of a session really helps. Everyone's working towards making the SMEs more enabled. Everyone's doing the bit. I don't want to name companies, but all of them, trust me, are doing their own bit in making sure that the SME segment is getting integrated and they are getting the necessary help on the technology front. After innovation for that particular product or for that particular category or for that particular business philosophy, you reach a stage of where you just manage it. But then any company or any enterprise can't just go with that. They'll have to continuously innovate. So if you were to look at it as a curve, and you innovate, you reach the peak of the curve, and then once the maturity happens, then you start sliding down. At that point, if a company doesn't innovate, he slides down. So innovation will never be over. Everyone and anyone in this world will have to innovate continuously, whether it's in terms of the small changes to the products that they already have or the services that they already have, or totally new lines of businesses as well. So innovation has to be continuous. It was started by a couple of school dropouts, right? We all know that, and Bill Gates has managed to build this company into this big global giant that it is today, and that's out of sheer perseverance and adapting to market needs. Innovation, again, that's the key word out here. So had he not innovated, I wouldn't have been here sitting in front of you and speaking to you, because innovation made this company what it is today, and it will continue to do so. Mango is perhaps one of the best things to happen to the mobile market today, and you will see that action right now, right here, in terms of a lot of hardware platforms adopting the technology and making sure that the mobile market, because that's a huge market, and that's where Microsoft's significant play. It's been a homecoming of sorts for Microsoft on that front, and that's where it is going to place its big bets, and we're going to do well in that.